Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Markin. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an absolutely amazing sinkhole in Minecraft. That's right, guys. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an absolutely amazing, awesome, and super epic sinkhole in Minecraft. And you're only going to need a few things to do it, guys. Actually, you're only going to need a sponge and a command block. So what you want to do, guys, is just want to go ahead, you want to place your command block down, and then you just want to go ahead and you want to right click on it, and then this menu should pop up, guys. Once you're in this menu, you just want to come up here to where it says command input. You just want to go ahead and click on the plus button, guys, and then it should pop up this menu where it says enter your command input. You just want to go ahead and click on that. Now this is a very long command, guys, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to leave it down in the description of this video so you guys can just go ahead and copy it. So once you copy the command, all you have to do is hit Control and then hit V, and boom, guys, it's magic. It really is magic, guys. So this is what it should look like, guys. If you guys want to type it in, you can pause the video right now, but I would really suggest copying this command and then just pasting it in to the command block, guys. But after you do this, you just want to go ahead and click the minus so you can back out of that, guys. Now you just want to come over here to the side where it says block type. You just want to go ahead and change this to repeat, and then you want to come down here where it says redstone, and you just want to change this to always active, and that is all you have to do, guys. Now you can just go ahead, back out of the command block, and boom, there you guys go. Now all you have to do, this is the really fun part, guys. All you have to do is whip out your sponge, dig down 2 blocks, place your sponge, and then place some sand over it, or you can place dirt blocks or whatever you're working with, guys. And now all you have to do is just walk right over it. Oh my god! Oh my god, guys, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing, guys. And the greatest part about this is you can actually do it as many times as you want, guys. There's no limit to how many times you can do this. You can just keep doing it and keep doing it. Oh my god! It is really fun to do, guys. It is really fun to do. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and do it again. I just absolutely love doing this, guys. I could do this all day. I could do this all day. Oh my god, guys, that is a lot of fun, guys. That is really a lot of fun. And oh my god, it looks like I actually made like a creeper head in the sand. That is really funny, guys. That is really funny. But yeah, guys, you can use this trick to prank your friends. Your friend would just be walking and he'd be like, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to head inside your house. And then you'll just be sitting back watching him. And then he'll go to walk. And they'd be like, oh my god. And then he'll fall straight down into your sinkhole. And he'd be like, hey man, can you throw down a rope? I need out of this sinkhole. And then you just leave him in the sinkhole for days and days and days. That would be really funny, guys. That would be really funny. I mean, your friend might not think it's that funny, but it would be really funny to leave your friend down in a sinkhole like this. But wow, guys, this really is amazing. I really do love making these sinkholes, guys. And the greatest part about these sinkholes is, like I said, you can prank your friends with the sinkholes, or you can even like protect your house, because like if you have a house that you like want to protect, Like, let's say, you want to protect your diamonds or something inside your house, and like everybody's trying to get inside your house to get your diamonds. You can actually place sponges all the way around your house, 2 blocks deep. And then when somebody goes to walk into your house, they just fall straight down into the sinkhole, and they won't be able to get your precious diamonds. Because they'll be in a sinkhole, guys. Which is pretty funny. Oh my god! I like to do it just for fun, guys. I really do. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.